In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage QuickBooks users. This tutorial needs about 5 minutes of your time, and by the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effectively organize and handle user permissions within QuickBooks Online. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks Online, open your preferred web browser and type in the address for QuickBooks Online, or simply search for it using your search engine. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the website. Here, you'll spot the Sign In button. Give that a click to move forward. Now, an account login page should pop up. This is the gateway to accessing all of QuickBooks' features. Here you need to input your email and password. Remember, this is the same email and password you used during the account setup process. If you have any trouble recalling these details, there's typically a forgot password option available that can help you with the process of resetting your password. Once you have entered your credentials correctly, the next step is to click on Sign In. This action will grant you access to your QuickBooks Online dashboard where you can manage your financial records with ease and efficiency. With QuickBooks loaded, let's turn our attention to the Settings menu. You'll usually find this represented by a gear icon, often located toward the top right section of the page. Clicking on this Settings icon opens a drop-down menu. This menu is the control center of your QuickBooks Online experience, allowing you to personalize and manage various aspects of your account. Among the options available in this drop-down, you'll see Manage Users. Click on this option. It's essential because it directs you to the area where all user management activities take place. Throughout this process, make sure you have a stable internet connection to prevent any interruptions. Upon clicking Manage Users, you'll land on a page that is your hub for overseeing and organizing your QuickBooks user accounts. This is where all the magic happens. You can see a list of all the users currently associated with your account. This list consists of various user roles ranging from master admins to standard users with specific permissions. What's remarkable about this interface is that it offers you the flexibility to make changes effortlessly. For instance, if you need to add a new user, there's usually an option to invite a user by sending them an invite link through email. Inviting a user here usually involves specifying their role, defining what type of access they should have, and then following the on-screen instructions to complete the invitation process. More so, if you need to edit an existing user's permissions, you simply select their name from the list and adjust their settings according to their role within your organization. QuickBooks allows a seamless transition between roles. Let's say you recently hired someone as a part-time accountant and they need limited access to certain financial records. Just select their name and alter their permissions to match your security preferences. Additionally, removing a user is just as straightforward. If someone no longer needs access to your QuickBooks Online account, click on their name from the user list and follow the prompts to remove them. This ensures that only the people who truly need access can get it, thereby maintaining the security and integrity of your financial data. Managing users within QuickBooks is fundamentally about maintaining control and security over who has access to what within your business ecosystem. By tailoring user permissions, you ensure that sensitive financial information is protected and that each team member can effectively do their job without overstepping boundaries. As we wrap up our walkthrough, remember these key points. Always keep your login credentials secure, periodically review user roles to ensure they're up to date, and don't hesitate to revoke access as needed to protect your business data. This process, although straightforward, serves as the cornerstone for protecting your business's financial health and ensuring a smooth operational workflow. Whether you're scaling your business or simply trying to refine your team's access levels, QuickBooks' user management is an essential tool. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If any questions arise or you need further assistance, don't hesitate to seek advice from QuickBooks support or explore their extensive online resources. Stay tuned with us for more insightful guides on maximizing the tools at your disposal. Until next time, take care and happy managing.